How to fix Facebook video lag. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into this tutorial. To fix a Facebook video lag, this is mostly because of a network issue. For this, you can actually check your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting super slow, you can switch into cellular data, or you can enable airplane mode for a couple of seconds, then you can turn it back off. After that, you can launch your Facebook application once again. If it does not work, you need to check out your phone settings. In your phone settings, scroll down until you see the option of apps and click on it. Then head over to all apps and search for Facebook. In here, you need to clear up some of the cache built up. In order to do so, tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Now, while you are in your phone settings, tap on the search icon where you need to search for developer option. Then click on it. Make sure that it is turned on. Once you have turned this on, you can scroll down until you see the option of Wi-Fi scan throttling. Make sure that the Wi-Fi scan throttling is actually turned on, as well as mobile data always active is toggled on as well. Once you do so, this will enhance your network connection and will fix the error of video lag. That sums up the tutorial as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.